On this Enlightenment Day of Buddha, the Buddha Purnima, let us discuss Buddhist philosophy in brief. You are watching the Happiness Channel and I am Ajit Srivastav. Buddha was a unique personality. He did not believe in God who keeps humanity in sufferings. He did not believe Vedas. He, on the contrary, believed in serving the humanity. Due to this very reason, Buddhist philosophy is considered to be anti-Hindu philosophy and anti-Vedic philosophy. If any interest is generated regarding other Indian philosophies, you will have to subscribe my channel, share and like it so that you can get my future videos on other Indian philosophies. The fundamental teachings of Buddha are contained in 4 noble truths. The first noble truth is the world is full of sufferings. Howsoever happy and rich a man look like, if you go near him, watch him minutely, you will find he is in the suffering for one reason or other. The 3 main sufferings, old age, disease and illness, and death, are common to all human beings. The second truth says every suffering has a cause behind it. So the law of cause and effect is applied here. Any suffering has a cause. Your old age, your death, they are because you took birth. Now, birth again is an effect. You have taken birth because in your previous birth you had some unfulfilled desires. And regarding the cause of these unfulfilled desires, he says the cause is avidya. Avidya means false sense of education, false knowledge, which makes you believe the non-lasting or short-lasting things to be lasting forever. I have discussed these lasting and non-lasting things in detail in my previous videos in the name of Maya or illusion and truth. You can watch those videos in case you want to know in detail what is illusion, Maya, lasting things and non-lasting things. The third truth is that the sufferings can be avoided by removing the cause behind the sufferings. The universal sufferings have the cause of unfulfilled desires behind them. So if we have control over our senses, we are not attached to our sensual desires, we can avoid rebirth. So annihilation of desires is the core issue. Fourth truth, Buddha says the cause of suffering can be avoided by following a righteous path. So he has told what path to be followed. This path is known to be eightfold path. By following this eightfold path, you can have control on your senses, on your desires, and you can avoid the sufferings in your life. This rightful path, eightfold path, is known as Ashtanga Marg. We can discuss this eightfold path in a separate video. In the meanwhile, you are requested to like and share the video and also to subscribe the channel. Thank you.